Simple operations such as trimming in Grasshopper might be a little different than in Rhino. And in this video, I'll be talking about how you can use those kind of simple functions, commands from Rhino in Grasshopper. But let me pause this for a second and I want to show you something. So this is a piece of textile that I'm using for my research. So the goal is to be able to create this pattern in Rhino, Grasshopper, wherever, within these kind of paths so that it can be structurally optimized when I complete on it. And in this video, I'll be showing you how we can place grid or this grid pattern into a sheet of material in Rhino. So if I go back to my Rhino screen, now the goal is pretty simple. So I want to create a simple kind of a pattern within these boundaries. To be able to do so, first I'll get a curve component, set multiple curves, and then I'll get these 4 curves. Then I'll get another one and get 1 curve. And just to show you, can connect boundary surface. I can grab a merge component just to be able to show you the surface in between, connect this in. Now we see that this is where we are looking into, right? So, but obviously I need to create this line and this line to be able to define my lines. So I'll grab this curve, set 1 curve, copy this and paste, set 1 curve with this guy, and I'll divide the distance or divide length. In this case, it's going to be doing the same thing. So let's say I want to have 4 millimeters per each. Okay, so you see these are 4 millimeters per each curve. You can copy this and paste and pull this guy in. So this will be the same. Then I'll grab an STL component for this one. For these points, I'll be using X, and for that one, I'll be using Y. And if I now add some kind of length to this, I don't know, maybe 600 should work. So you see now we're exceeding our boundary. We have 100 for this, we'll get, right? Therefore, I need to put negative here so that I'll go upward, downwards, not, these guys. And then the next thing is I want to trim this and trim this by using the surfaces that I'm putting in, right? So there are 2 ways to approach this. We can go to trim and we can go and trim with regions, which is trimming a curve with another curve, or we can go and trim with Breps. So if I go trim with Breps, what I can say is I can get these curves into 1 single component, and I want to trim these. Then it's going to be asking me about a closed Brep. And in this case, the Brep that I'm providing is a surface. So what I can do is I can just say, that surface, I'm using this one coming from pufferfish, get this guy, put this in, and it will give me some results. And it gives us the results with inside and outside. And I'm more into, we see it depends on what you want to do, inside or outside this off. Now I have my pattern only inside, which is pretty close to something that I'm planning to do with this guy, right? And this way I can use it. If you would like to get free access to this script, join the link or follow the link in the description to join my preschool community. And if you want to learn curious about learning Grasshopper, follow the link in the description and book a call with me so that we can sit down and plan out your roadmap to learn Grasshopper. Thanks for watching this, and I'll see you in the next